Hey, what's going on, everybody? Really happy here to have a brand new product from Roborock that is getting released today, January 4th. And in this video, I'm going to show you everything inside the box, as well as how it looks set up, and then we'll go over some of the specs and stuff. This will be more of an unboxing and information type video. Then I'll have a full review on this, going over every single detail that this has to offer. So if you're into something like this, please do me a favor, like and subscribe. And let me go and get everything out of the box, and then I will show you exactly what you get. Alrighty, here's everything in the box. Very nicely packed. Not many pieces, which is really good. Basically, all you gotta do is grab the handle, and you literally just shove it in right here. Let me show you real quick. Just take the handle, line it up, push it straight down, and now your handle is attached and connected. There is the base that auto washes and auto dries. As you can see in this model, see those holes there right in the middle there? That's the heating vent that is blowing air from this fan back here, and that's what's drying it for you. Here's your cleaning brush to help get inside of the tank when it gets dirty. Of course, your power plug, an air filter, your manual, and then of course the main unit. Going over it real quick, here is the clean water tank, the dirty water tank, the auto dispenser there. You fill that up with your own cleaner and it'll disperse it however much you set it for in the app. So a quick look at the underside. As you can see, this is edge to edge rollers. Then the secondary roller there to help sweep up and vacuum up everything. So these front rollers will spin downward, and this one will spin upward. And then all the vacuuming suction power is through here. And with them spinning in opposite directions, it ensures it's going to pick up everything that goes underneath this machine. I'm going to put this guy through a whole bunch of tests, and I think it's going to tackle with no issue whatsoever. Pretty excited for this. I think this is going to be my main product right now that I use for mopping my house. I actually like these better than the mopping robot vacuums because those just aren't quite there yet. But these, they do a great job, and I'll prove that to you in the review when I do it very soon. All right, so there you have it. There's your quick unboxing, everything included. Simple to set up. I will go over everything else in my review video, including the app. Every single feature that it has. I will clean my entire floor plan, show you how quick and easy it is. Then I'll even put it through a stress test where I throw down a whole bunch of stuff and see if it can tackle it. And spoiler alert, I think it's gonna do a fantastic job with that. But that's the reason we do it, because you just never know. Alrighty, here's a quick look at the app, which is very easy to install and connect. We're gonna go into some settings here. Smart self-cleaning and drying settings. So you can have it automatically clean every time you set it on the dock, or you can have it off like this and just simply push the button when you're ready. Of course, it has auto air drying, and you can do even a deep self-cleaning, where it'll take a little bit longer but clean the pad even better. You can set your silent drying time, 2 hours all the way up to 6. 2 is probably enough, but if you want to thoroughly dry it, you could set it to 6 if you wish. Of course, there's a firmware update, which is very easy to set up and do. Works perfectly. And then you can set how much suction force, your water level, and then the roller speed, depending on the stain or type of mess you're cleaning up. So very simple to use, very easy app, nice and clean. Not too much to worry about, and it's a nice thing to have for this product. All right, once again, I'll go over everything in the review video. So if you enjoyed this unboxing and informational video at all, please smash that like button for me. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.